Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you guys are gonna get ready with me for my first day of college. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And sorry if I'm talking kind of weird, but I'm sick, so that's why I'm talking like this. I know, right? I got sick like 3 days before school starts. It sucks. Kind of in a hurry right now, but it's because my dad told me that there's a lot of traffic in Central, so gotta hurry up. Now I'm just gonna straighten my hair real quick. I'm really nervous to go in, but really excited at the same time. I don't know. It's just crazy to think that, like, I'm already going into college. Doesn't feel like it. Like the time went super fast. I'm honestly just straightening my hair like however because I don't want to be late to my class. So yesterday I went to go see where my classes were at because I didn't want to be lost today. They're not really that far away from each other, so that was good. You ever hate these little hairs that they never want to straighten? Like these little hairs, they never want to straighten. Like ever, like they're always like that. Looks a little funky, but I'm just gonna wet it here because these little hairs do not want to stay. Alright guys, so I'm all done getting ready. I might film something when I come from school just to let you know how my experience was, but hopefully today goes good. Wish me luck, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hi guys, so I'm already back. The first day was really good actually. I think I'm gonna like all of my classes. If you guys are currently in high school right now, enjoy the 4 years because those 4 years will go by so fast, like you won't even notice it. But if you guys are really going into high school and you guys need advice on high school, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll answer your questions. And sorry if I haven't been uploading recently, it's because I've been working a lot and I've been really busy. But hopefully I'll start to have more videos for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I'm sorry that I didn't talk that much in the video, but it's because everybody in my house was sleeping and I was just trying to be quiet, you know. I didn't want to wake them up, but that's why I didn't really talk in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.